Eminye imihlangano yamakomiti siqalile ePhalamende. I-ANC isanda kuveza ukuthi ihambisana nenhlelo zokuthi isebenzi ibuyele emsebenzini.
We have made a commitment as chief whips that we are going to speak to our members that they should not feel comfortable to always work from Zoom platform.
Kodwa iningi lenyunyana yesebenzi ePhalamende linombono ohlukile. Lithi kumanje kuneziphithiphithi ngendawo emahhovisi kusukela ngenkathi kusha amabhilidi.
I believe that a particular floor, I think it's 6th floor on the 90 plane was added. It is accommodating some MPs. Obviously we cannot bring everyone in the 90 plane because it will be overloaded as well.
Inyunyana ithizoxoxisana nabaphathi umuda baselibekwe eThebeni.
The challenge is that we haven't been engaged formally. And if it's a management decision, then they know the channels, they will engage us formally. That's where we'll raise our alternatives in terms of the way forward.
INehawu ikholelwa ukuthi lo mgomo usizo eyisebenzini zasePhalamende kanye nesikhungu uqobo uphenyo lwahlukene seliveza ukuthi leli ibhilidi licekeleke phansi kakhulu njengoba kungaphephile nje nokungena kulo.